Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Daytona Grey Audi S3. Of course, we've got the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, with the front headlight washer jets and also the front and rear parking sensors. At the side of the vehicle we have the 18-inch 20-spoke design alloy wheels with the red calipers, with the chrome on the surrounds of the windows, privacy glass for the B pillar backwards, with the LED backlights with the dynamic sweep indicators and also the quad chrome exhaust. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the black leather on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors and also the upgraded Bang & Olufsen Sound System with the interior mood lighting. The luminous S-Line entry strip with the fine Nappa leather S3 sports seats with the S embossed logo in the leather. Light and rain sensors which include automatic headlights and wipers with a flat bottom perforated leather steering wheel which is multifunctional with cruise control. Audi's MMI display with smartphone interface with navigation, maps, dual digital climate control with heated front seats, an S-Tronic automatic gearbox with launch control, with the electronic handbrake and auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi S3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.